Good morning. Welcome to the WeekLEE News.
My name is Davion.
And my name is Brooklyn. We have some news about Miss Keisha and Miss McBride.
Miss McBride's last day is today, and Miss Keisha's last day is Friday.
We will miss you both, and good luck in the future.
Let's not get frozen about this next segment, about our winter Candygrams.
It feels a little chilly in here right now. I wonder what candy we're going to get.
Yo, straight up with the Candygrams, it's crazy. Hot cocoa and candy cane.
It's 50 gosh darn cents.
The segment starts the 10th of December through the 15th.
And moving on to our staff spotlight.
They are going to be interviewing Anderson brothers. They teach 7th grade science.
Mr. S. Anderson here.
And Mr. J. Anderson here.
To bring you a little bit of science here in the morning.
With a basketball and a tennis ball.
This is called conservation of energy. Everyone knows a basketball bounces.
And a tennis ball does the same.
What would happen if we combine the two? Let's put the tennis ball on top of the basketball. Now, this is a bit tricky, so I'm going to hold on to it very carefully like this. I'm going to let go of the basketball and the tennis ball at the same time. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. That tennis ball, sky. Let's see that again on slow motion.
Okay, that definitely bounced a lot more than when it tried to on its own.
So what happened here? If you notice, the basketball did not bounce as much when we had the tennis ball on it. Its energy was transferred from the basketball into the tennis ball. For even more fun, try stacking a basketball, a tennis ball, and a ping pong ball. That ball will really fly.
Record it and send it to us so we can see your experiment.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Alright, now we're going to be talking about our orchestra mock concert.
I'm excited to see and listen to it.
Some students are asking where Miss Choi is. She's in South Korea taking care of her mother. She will be back around maybe like 3 months. Not completely sure. But she did leave a video for us to watch for her orchestra group.
let's take a break and go outside.
For outdoor school.
In November, the 6th graders did outdoor school. Here are some pictures.
Sometimes winter can be depressing.
So we hope this segment will help you with staying healthy in winter.
This segment is to help students with their winter health and wellness over the upcoming season. One of our top tips on being healthy is staying hydrated whether you're at home or at school. Secondly, we suggest that every once in a while you take a simple walk for fresh air. This will allow you to collect your thoughts and stretch your legs. Another piece of calming advice is taking a hot bath. This will relax you and boost your hygiene. Of course, sometimes your physical wellness might affect your mental wellness, so please take care of yourself this snowy time of the year.
Now we will be giving out some big shout-outs.
We hope you enjoy these positive things you hear from others.
Welcome back to the Squawk Shoutout. Once again, people will be giving shoutouts to someone they appreciate at school.
Hi, my name is Lily, and I want to give a shout out to Mr. Joey because he always makes sure that I get to class on time.
Hi, I'm Mr. Tallis, one of your assistant principals. I want to give a shout out to Mr. Rane for making families feel valued and supported in his daily work. Great job, Mr. Rane.
I want to give a shout out to Albertina. Yeah, she's my best friend. Stop playing with him. And I give a shout out to Aaliyah because she's the baddest ever, and she's pretty.
Hi, my name is Quanel. I give a shout out to Celia because she's just go person and get it done. She's just amazing. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Miss Strong, and I want to shout out one of my students, Sean Fenema, for being one of the most improved students I've seen so far this year. Good job, Sean.
I'd like to give a shout out to all the students, 6th, 7th, 8th grade. Let's turn it up. Let's be great students, great people. Love everybody. Let's go.
Hi, my name is Abdul, and I'd like to give a shout out to all my friends because they're true homies, and that's pretty much it.
My name's Antonio. I want to give a shout out to Ms. Celeste in the front office for being so welcoming and always making working in the office a fun time.
Hi, my name is Ayana. I want to shout out Miss Trisha for letting me join SEI.
Hi, my name is Jersey, and I want to give a shout out to Mr. Riedel because he helped me with my grades.
Thank you for watching the Squawk Shoutout. We will be making a QR code for the people that want to sign up and give a shout out next time. Bye.
Now we're going to find out a new raffle prize.
I wonder what that will be.
My name's Noah, and this is the raffle prize announcement.
Hi, my name is Stephanie. For this week's raffle, you could win a pass to get an extra lunch with a friend. You still will go to your lunch, and remember, you have a chance to win. Just fill out the form that your advisory teacher will give out.
Where I am, but that's about it for the raffle segment. Have a nice day.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode.
Hurry up, give me the mic.
Alright, hold up. I'm still setting it up. We're not recording yet.
Alright, that's good.
I think I found out why this isn't working, because this mic
Oh.
was never plugged in.
We're definitely never.
This mic was never plugged in all the way.
Is it recording?
No.
Hold up. Where I am, but that's about it for the raffle segment.
Hello, say it.
Hi, my name is Stephanie. For this week's raffle, you could win.
Don't ask where I am, but I think that's it for the raffle segment.